Hello guys, you may be wondering, what's this? This is the Technic single player thingamajigger. Anyway, in this video I'll be showing you how to install it and many things. Now you see you have many other versions of Technic. You have actually only two. You got the yogbox and you can just install vanilla, which is just like standard, but I'm not going to be doing that. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install one of these. I'm going to be showing you how to install the yogbox. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to first of all open up this. Just ignore that thing up there, just function recording well. You want to type in, or I'll give you the link anyway. The link will be in the description, guys. Go to this website here, technicpack.net, and then where it says here launcher exe or launcher jar, click on launcher jar. You may be thinking, why? Surely the exe one will be the better one. No. The Technic launcher jar is the one you need to install. Now, I've got Chrome here, so all I need to do is click on that, and then this should pop up. What you want to do is you want to, as soon as you decided which mod which you want to install, I'm using yogbox, enter your username and your password, and all you have to do is simply click login. Now it is downloading all the standard Minecraft files for its own version of Minecraft. Now at the moment you can do this with any of the Minecraft mod packs whatsoever. However, there is a slight problem. It will change the Minecraft version depending on when the mod was last available. So here we go, the yogbox is here. Open this up. This should take a while to just yep, there we go. It will come with its own texture pack as well, so this is the default texture pack. It will just take a while to load. It should be just like normal Minecraft with the mods, of course. Just ignore that, that's my fraps up there. Woo, woo, woo. Here we go. See, it comes with the free ones here. I'm going to be going with the SP one, and I'm going to create a new world, and I am going to click create new. This should make your new world with the mod installed, and I'm going to keep recording. I'm going to keep recording just to prove to you guys that this mod works. Don't worry, by the way, it won't downgrade your actual Minecraft, it only downgrades this. This technically is Minecraft, it's the yogbox. Come on, load up. Here we go. Starting equipment. Leather tunic. The boots. And you get your stand. Look. which when you right click,